Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Vikas is Learning. In this class, we are going to discuss about the area of the circles. We have types of areas here. So this type of area if you observe this kind of area, this is called sector. If you observe this kind of area, this is called a segment of the circle. Okay. So if you want to say segment means the region or area which is bounded by a chord and an arc. This is called segment. Okay. The definition for segment is nothing but a region or an area which is bounded by a chord and an arc. A chord and an arc is called segment. Okay. So, and in the same way, this is the region or area which is bounded by two radii. Radii is the plural of radius. So here this region or area bounded by two radii and an arc. This is called what? An arc, a part of the circumference. So here also this is arc. This is also a part of the circumference. This is the circumference. Here we are taking a part. So in this case also we are going to take what? A part of the circumference. This area is bounded by two radii and an arc. This is called sector. An area which is bounded by two radii and an arc. This is called sector. So these two are the parts of the circles with respect to area. So and we can classify the segment as minor segment and major segment. See here, this is below the center and this region is small compared to the region remaining. So this is the remaining region and this is a minor region. It is a minor segment. So if the segment is or if the arc is minor, then the region is bounded by, for example, if the region is bounded by minor arc and a chord, is called minor segment. This is major arc. So this is the region which is bounded by major arc and a chord. This is called what? Major segment. This is major segment and this is minor segment. So this is how we can classify the segment into two types, minor and a major segment. Okay. Minor segment. An area or a sector, you can write a segment. A segment which is bounded by, this is a segment which is bounded by a minor arc, and a chord. Is called minor segment. This is major segment. Major segment. A segment which is bounded by a major arc major arc and a chord and a chord. This is called major segment. So this is how we can classify the segment. In the same way, we can divide the sector also, major segment and minor segment. Minor segment, minor sector, minor sector. So this is a minor segment, minor sector, because this area is bounded by two radii and an arc, and this arc is what a minor arc. A sector is bounded by minor arc and two radii. This is called minor sector. And the remaining region, this is what a major sector. You just forget this. So this remaining region is what a major sector. Okay. This. A sector which is bounded by a major arc from here to here. A major arc and two radii. This two radii is called a major sector. Okay. So this is how we can classify the sector into minor sector and a major sector. This is minor sector and this is major sector on the basis of area occupied in the circle. Now we are going to discuss about the line which is drawn to the circle. So if the line which is going to touch the circle at only one point is called a tangent. So if a line which is going to touch the circle at only one point. So for example, if I am going to draw a line like this, it is going to touch the circle at only one point. Then the line is called tangent. Okay. Tangent is nothing but a line, a straight line, which is touching the circle, at only one point. Only one point is called tangent. If a line which is intersecting or passing through the circle, if a line which is intersecting at two distinct points of a circle, then it is secant. This is passing through the circle or intersecting at two distinct points. These two distinct points, and these two distinct points, this line is going to intersect. Therefore, the line is called what? A secant. S-C-C-A-N-T. Secant. A straight line. Which is intersecting at two distinct points a circle is called secant. Okay, so here this is tangent, it is going to touch at only one point of a circle, and the secant which is going to intersect at two distinct points. So it is going to passing through the circle. This is called what a secant, and this is tangent. This is how we can understand the parts of the circle. Thank you.